Hey, it's Eve, the creative curator. Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair your jeans when you get a massive hole right below the back yoke. So every time I pull these up, if I go to the loo or putting them on, they just rip a little bit further. So I'm going to show you how I would go about repairing them. I've already got a repair here previously. Let me see if I can get that on the camera right. These are a pair of fat face denim jeans that I've had for a couple of years now. They're size 16 UK. They're too small, which is why when I hoist them up, they're kind of like trying to fit my big butt inside them. Not doing a very good job, which is how life is after lockdown. So I'm going to repair this side, much like how I repaired the other side. Okay, I'm hoping you can hear me. I haven't got my microphone attached today because the white one ends up making a lot of scratching sounds and the other one isn't fully charged. What do you call it? Wireless. So I found out like a bit of denim that I use for my other funky pair of trouser jean type things, my DIY constructed or something I've called them. They're on the blog, I'll link them in the description. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just pop this underneath. And you can see the original denim has got some elastane in it. It's quite stretchy and warped. And I'm just gonna like try and make everything sit flat with the denim underneath, as you can see here. Make sure you don't have a crease in it like me. This is an ad hoc video because I have nothing to wear. And I was like, oh crap, I really need to repair my jeans. And my other half's like, oh, we're having lunch. I'm like, yeah, but at the moment I'm sitting at my desk in my underwear with a t-shirt on. And I need to sew a repair on my jeans first before we can have lunch. Mostly because there are massive windows right by the kitchen and at the dining table. And I don't really want my neighbours to see my half-naked body while I'm cooking toast. And eggs on toast, actually. So as you can see, I'm literally just pinning the denim of the actual jeans to the underneath. You can't see what my hand underneath is doing. I'm going to show you shortly. But I'm holding everything nice and flat underneath. So that my hand is doing a contortionist thing to try and keep the light in the area and not take over the whole lens filming area. So you can see I might just trim with my scissors the broken threads. I draw kind of the stretchy cross grain, as you can see. Wah, wah, wah. Trim that away, and there we have it. So if I show you the reverse, it's nicely pinned in place. Then what I do is I grab the sewing machine. Okay, I've got my sewing machine set on the zigzag stitch. And number 3.5, and I have changed the stitch length from 3.5 to about 2.5, and of course I have my needle all threaded up. I'm going to use this contrasting. I typically just go with the thread that's already in there. I'll try and get the camera straight so you can see. There we go. And I have orange, so I'm going to have orange on my denim. You could of course do whatever makes you feel happy. I'm doing it this way because I like funky jeans. I think on the other one I had red. So I'm not even going to straight stitch. Ow, pins. I'm literally going to, and I'm going to have a problem because obviously I have a flat felled seam for the yoke and then the straight up denim. So they're on two different levels, which is another reason why I'm using a zigzag stitch. And I'm just going to lower the foot and go for it. Okay, so the final step is just to trim any of the white bits that I don't want. You can see that it's clear on the inside. I stitched really carefully. I kind of like followed the original edge of the flat felled seam before doing an abrupt turn. It's almost like something outside of a jet or welt pocket, I guess. And it may not last for long because I used quite a wide zigzag. I might have to go over it again, and that's fine. I just need them fixed here in the short term. And now I need to trim the reverse. So I'm going to take my scissors, my fabric scissors, of course. And I should have planned this a little bit better because I've done it bang in the middle of a big piece of denim. Hey ho, I'll always find a way to use those bits up. And then I'm trying to come at it from an angle to not cut into this, but no, hey, never mind. Straight across and along the bottom, or what's actually the top as well. And there we have it. So that's the new repair. This is the old repair, as you can see. Maybe I should just trim those threads now that they're fully separated. There we go. I used a different fabric for this. And you can see I used a contrasting red thread as well, and that's like, it was doubled over, I believe it was doubled over to give a bit of extra strength, and it has still worked away. These jeans, I hate jeans that have like elastane in them. Look at that, it just like bobbles. And should we even talk about the bum? Look, these also need repairing. I should probably just throw them in the bin, but they are one of the comfiest pairs of jeans that I own. I only own one pair of jeans, these two, and the other ones I made the deconstructed ones. So maybe I just need to make myself another pair of trousers, but this is a job for another day. Right now I just need to put them on so I can go and cook lunch. So I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. So there you go, I have successfully managed to, let me show you that, repair them. Relatively neat, tidy. Now I can put them on and go have lunch. So I hope you found that helpful. Super easy, like you don't have to be super fancy about it. I know there's like lots of visible mending that you can do, and I'm not against that, like super cool, but I don't have the right needles, the right threads to do that all the time. Like I need some jeans that fit me now, that I'm not going to fall out of and rip even further while I'm cooking lunch. So a nice, simple, easy repair method. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to learn more about designing, sewing, making your own clothes. Bye.